Let's look at this example. Will the train wait for us? We can answer, yes, I hope the train will wait for us. Or we can say, I hope so, which means, I hope yes. We need to send John to Venezuela. Is John ready for such long trips? I think so. I think so means, I think yes. Your mother is going to stay with us for a year. I am afraid so. I am afraid so means, I am afraid yes. So to give a short positive answer when we use the words think, hope, afraid, we use the word so. I hope you understand this grammar. Yeah, I think so. To give a negative short answer, we use not instead of so. Why aren't you eating fish? Don't you like fish? I am afraid not, ma'am. I am afraid not means, I am afraid I don't like fish. Do you think your boss will ever find out? I hope not. I hope not means, I hope my boss will never find out. Very simple, but it's not all. Stay tuned for more.